Nancy, how are you?
Greetings to Excellency. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you. This is a joyous occasion when India is celebrating its 68th Republic Day, which we celebrated, we did a flag hosting on 26th January. That was the day before yesterday. It was on 26th January 1950. Indian Constitution came into force, completing country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. India has established itself as a nation with strong democratic credentials, where there is an equal place for all sections of the people. From a population of 360 million in 1951, we are now a 1.3 billion strong nation. Even then, our per capita income has shown a tenfold increase. Poverty ratio has declined by 2/3. Average life expectancy has more than doubled, and literacy rate has shown a 4-fold increase. We are today the fastest growing amongst the major economies in the world. We are the second largest reservoir of scientific and technical manpower, the third largest army, the sixth member of nuclear club, the sixth member in the race for space, and the 10th largest industrial power. From a net food grain importing country, India is now a leading exporter of food commodities. Our foreign policy is based on respect for the independence of other countries and the pursuit of international peace. India and Fiji share very close and strong bonds historically. We felt pains of Fijians after Cyclone Winston and contributed in the relief work. India is a partner in Fiji's development process, and we have excellent ongoing cooperation in the spheres of agriculture, health, sugar industry, climate change, education, women empowerment, human resource development, and culture, etc. We would like to congratulate Honorable President, Honorable Prime Minister, Government and people of Fiji for being elected as President for COP23 and co-chair for UN Oceans Conference. We will be happy to provide all possible support for our fight against climate change. It gives us great joy to celebrate Republic Day in Fiji because it is one of India's closest friends. Even as India takes pride in its own achievements, it celebrates Fiji's growth trajectory. I have a great pleasure in conveying my best wishes for the new year, peace, good health, and prosperity to all of you. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Vinagavakale.